Hello and welcome to Wheel Thing TV. I'm Dave Knoll. We're checking out the 2019 specification Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. This is the GLX 5-seater. The GLX Pajero Sport is a 2.2 litre diesel, currently priced at around 46,000 drive away. You're looking at 430 Newton meters of torque from the diesel up front, and a proper four-wheel drive system, including a transfer case. The four-wheel drive system's operated via the jog dial. You've also got your downhill ascent control and various drive modes once you're in a proper four-wheel drive locked situation. Two-wheel, four-wheel drive in high range, low range, as I mentioned, for the various drive modes, and of course a Sportsmatic style gear selector. In roads such as this, four-wheel drive high range is absolutely fine. There are some segments that's the low range and diff locking system are most definitely preferred. I can attest that the hill descent control works just fine, and certainly does save a lot of mental stress on a few of the slopes that this car is capable of driving on. There's been a distinct lack of rain in the lower Blue Mountains area over the last few months, and under normal circumstances all of this would be awash in water and mud, and we'd be able to go through and show a whole bunch of mud splattering up from the front of the car. But as you can see, dry as a bone, which of course won't trouble the Pajero Sport GLX. Big, thick, meaty rubber on the Pajero Sport Bridgestone Jewelers. These are 265 by 60 on 18-inch rims. Inside, it's typical Mitsubishi. It's clean, well laid out, ergonomic. Start button on the right-hand side of the steering column, which makes sense for the Aussie market. Everything's right-hand side. Come inside and we've got the standard-looking touchscreen. GLX only having single-zone aircon for the front seat passengers, but there is a mode for the rear seat as well. Touchscreen itself very clean and easy to lay out. Digital audio is on board, and sensitivity in the tuner is quite clean, quite a good reach too. Mostly black with a little bit of beigey grey, but some colour highlights in regards to a nice little sweep of 4 aluminium inside as well. Non-powered tailgate in the GLX Pajero Sport. It's all done manually, as we've been doing for many years. It is nice to have a powered tailgate. Sometimes they're a little bit slow, especially if the weather's coming in. 5-seater, as we mentioned, and underneath is where you'll find all your spare parts equipment. Back seats naturally fold down in a 60-40 split. The Pajero Sport GLX is a 5-seater, and it's very capable of carrying 5 people through terrain such as what you can see behind me. However, it's also the sort of car that most people won't take advantage of the ability that this car has. It'll be a great suburban tarmac brawler. Check it out at Mitsubishi. I don't know what the fucking website is. The Mitsubishi Pajero Sport GLX is a 5-seater and more than capable of carrying 5 people through terrain such as what you see behind us. However, it's more than likely that most people who buy this kind of car will only take it onto tarmac surfaces. Check it out at the Mitsubishi website, and for Wheel Thing TV, I'm Dave Knoll.